What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to be the first to know exactly when my videos go live. In today's video, we are replacing a bolt on the blow-off valve. So when CPE originally sent me the Tial Q blow-off valve, they sent me the blow-off valve with the vacuum line port going straight out. Well, I needed it at a 90-degree angle, so I purchased one, and I'm going to take you through it. And it's a pretty simple procedure. Let's go ahead and get started. So I don't know if you guys could see it, but right there in purple, that's what we're working on today. And we got this Tesla in, getting ready to be wrapped. And this is the piece that we're going to be installing. Time to jack up the car. So right here is where it keeps on ripping. Sorry, there's not very much room. And I got it off. Alright guys, and just like that, we have it complete. Look how it's rubbing the metal over here. That shouldn't be happening. I'm going to have to contact CPE and see why it's so close. And honestly, the fitment on this thing is terrible. It just keeps coming off of the throttle body. It slides down and it rubs. So I'm going to contact them and see what they say. Alright you guys, now that that is done, we got a good portion of the disassembly of the Tesla already knocked out. Let's go ahead and take a look. Tail lights are off. Window trim is done. Side cameras and blinkers are off. Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead and conclude this video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on how that CPE Exhale Kit is rubbing and just getting gouged. And let me know what color you think the owner of this Tesla is going with. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, boy.